Good day guys, you're welcome to Browsingtechzone YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to open a Payeer account. So if you want to create a Payeer account, maybe you want to use it for a transaction, or you are in need of the Payeer account. So in this video I'm going to show you everything as regards to Payeer wallet, so how to use it, how it works, and everything you need to know about the application, about the wallet. So I'm going to show you everything you need to know about it. So when we are talking about Payeer, so Payeer is a digital wallet, just like PayPal, Payoneer and others wallets that you might have known in the past, but it has a lot of add-on functionality that does not present in the aforementioned wallet. So Payeer is like an all-in-one e-wallet, and it allows you to store your funds in fiat or cryptocurrency. So it's an e-wallet, and it allows you to save. You can save on the wallet. You can use it to shop online. You can send and receive money with the use of the um this wallet, and you can use it to, maybe you join an online platform that want to pay you, or someone outside your personal country is trying to send you funds, so you can use it, you can receive it via this Payeer account. Whichever reason you want to use the Payeer account for, maybe you want to be using it to receive funds, you want to be using it to store your funds, because it has a lot of functionality. So in this guide I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the site, how to create an account on the site, how to receive money with Payeer wallets, how to send money with Payeer wallet, and how to buy Bitcoin, Litecoin, USDT, and etc, like that. So before I proceed with this video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe now by clicking on the subscription button. So, and when you click on the subscription button, make sure you turn on the notification bell, so that whenever we drop a new video guide, you will be notified. Thank you. You're welcome back. When we are talking about Payeer account have a lot of features, and without any form of emphasizing, so you should have know a lot about this website in our previous introduction that I've done before I begin this video. So with Payeer account, you will be able to store more than 12 currencies and cryptocurrency in just one account, and with your Payeer account you will be able to send and receive money worldwide. Payeer provides all its users with opportunity to buy, sell, and exchange various currency within their dashboard. So within your dashboard, you'll be able to buy funds, you'll be able to sell, you'll be able to swap, as in you'll be able to exchange from one currency to another. You can trade crypto with the use of Payeer wallet, and you have the opportunity to earn by trading on the platform. So um, the platform also have a business account that allows you to accept payments from millions of Payeer users. You can accept this payment in form of cryptocurrencies, bank card, cash, and payment system. So it provides those with Payeer business accounts with mass payments for their customer through a special mechanism, which is called payments API. So that's not where we're going. So I'm just giving you this detailed overview so that we'll be able to understand better how this platform works. So having know how it works and what it is for, maybe you're just coming across this video randomly, or you come here intentionally. So I'll be going straight to creating a Payeer account right now. So if you want to create a Payeer account, all you have to do is to check the description section of this video. I will drop a link for you in the description section. So once you click on the link, you'll be redirected to the registration page of Payeer. So you'll be able to get to the registration page, and from this page you'll be able to create an account. So just watch me how I will create a fresh Payeer account right now, and use you replicate these steps when you want to create yours. Okay, let's go. So this is the account registration page for Payeer. So if you want to create a Payeer account, once you check the description section of this video, the registration link that will be dropped for you, once you click on it, this is where you'll be redirected to. So all you have to do is to click on create account. So once you create the account, you'll be redirected to the registration page where you'll be asked for your email account. Can you see you can create account in 1 minute? So let's enter our email address. So that's our email address. So I will click on create account. So once I click on create account, an OTP will be sent to my email. So what I have to do is to check my email for this OTP. So I will check my email right now to check for the OTP so as to continue with my registration. um so this is the verification code. I've received it already, and this is 44271. This is 44271. Then I'll click on create account. Once I click on create account, then I'll be redirected to this page to create a password. So you'll be given this password. So if you want to use this password, maybe if you want to use it, you can use it, but I will not advise you to use it. I will advise you to remove it and add your own, so that it will be a unique password, and you will be able to remember the password whenever you want to log into your account. So let's say this is what I want to use for my password. I will not advise you to copy your own if you want to create it. Let's say I just want to, just as an example, so you choose your unique password. Make sure the password you'll be using in your own case is unique, and then you choose it your own, in case that you'll be able to remember this password at any time. So because if you want to log in, these are the password and details that you'll be needing to log in. So I'll put it here. So this secret code, make sure you change it to the code that you'll be able to remember. So change it to a code that you'll be able to remember. So I'm just using all this as an example. So then your account name, if you want to change it, you can also change this, and you can leave it like that, but I will change it here. So that's that about that. Okay, so now I will click on next. Okay, so so you enter your name here. So let's say your name is Baba Tunde, or maybe your name is John. You enter it, whichever your name is, you put it here, and you put Smith. If your name is John Smith, you put it like that. Your country will be selected for you automatically. So if you are from US, any country you are registering from, so the country will appear here automatically. So then you click on done. So once you click on done, you'll be redirected to your Payeer dashboard, and that's all. You've successfully created your account. So these are your login details. So they will ask you to download this file and save it in a safe place, so that whenever you want to log in, you'll be able to log in with these details. So that's that about Payeer account. So you've been able to create your Payeer account right now. Can you see? This is your account number. Your account number. This is it. This is your account number. It always starts with capital letter P, and that's your account number. Whenever you want to whenever you want to log into your account, or you want to receive fund, this is the account number you will be using to receive funds. So that's how you create a Payeer account. Whenever you want to withdraw, this is your account number. This it is also known as wallet number. It's also known as wallet number. So um, right now, you go and verify your account. You click on go to verify your account. So once you verify your account, then you can start using the accounts for your transactions. um, so you'll be able to start using the account for transactions. So if you want to, let's say you want to okay, so Next thing right now is to let me show you around. So this is your dashboard on the account. This is your payee dashboard, and as you can see, I've told you that it's a multi-wallet platform. So this is different wallets. You can store your funds in USDT. This is fiat. You can store it in RUB and euro. This is pounds. This is euro. This is Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dash, Ripple, Doge, Tron. So these are the different wallets that are available on your dashboard. So you'll be able to store your funds in different wallets, and you can either save it or anything you want. So if you want to withdraw from this account right now, all you have to do is to click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, then you'll be able to select the system that you want to use to withdraw. Can you see? So you can use, let's say you want to use Mastercard, then you'll be asked for your card number, the holder name, the beneficiary, city, etc. like that. So you fill all the details, the amount you want to withdraw, the total amount you want to receive, and then you click on send. That's that about that. If you want to withdraw to, maybe you want to withdraw to perfect money, you select perfect money. If you want to withdraw to maybe USDT, then you select USDT. TRC20 is available, then you paste your this thing here. So this is, maybe you're from any part of the world and you want to withdraw. So from your this thing, from your balance, you can convert it to USDT, and from USDT you withdraw it to your exchanger, your trusted exchanger. So right now I'll be showing you how to create this thing, how to exchange funds. If you want to convert your funds to Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency so that you can move it out of your payee account, then I will show you that right in this video. So this menu bar, this is balance. If you want to check your balance, this is where you click. If you want to add money, this is where you click. If you want to transfer, if you want to trade, you can actually trade cryptocurrency on the platform. If you want to exchange, so this is the exchange I'm talking about. If you want to exchange from your balance, let's say you are having $20, $25 on your payee balance, and you want to convert it to either USDT, Bitcoin, Litecoin, or anything, then you click on exchange. Once you click on exchange, then you select the account you want to deduct. So this is the USDT balance. We are having zero, so this is the calculations here. So let's say the account you want to transfer from is USDT. You are transferring from USDT. Then you are going to BTC. Then the amount you want to transfer, let's say you want to convert $10,000. Then this is the amount you want to convert. This is the rate of Bitcoin at the moment, and this is the amount you will be credited, the amount of Bitcoin that will be credited to your wallet. Then you click on exchange. Once you click on exchange, this $10,000 will be deducted from your balance, and 0.024667 Bitcoin will be credited to your Bitcoin balance here. You will be having it here. Let's say you're having just 10,000 here, then they will remove 10,000 from here and move it to Bitcoin. This is your Bitcoin. Then you'll be able to withdraw it or add another Bitcoin to it. So that's about how to exchange. So I think I've been able to show you how to register on Payee, how to create a Payee wallet. So if you want to receive the money with Payee, all you have to do is to copy your account number and send it to whoever you want to send you money. So that's the account number that we use to send the money to you. So I've shown you how to receive money to your account. I've shown you how to withdraw to your local bank, and I've shown you how to exchange it to, maybe you want to exchange from your from your US balance to any cryptocurrency. So let's say I use Bitcoin as an example. If you want to exchange to another cryptocurrency, here once you select this USD here, then the cryptocurrency that you want to use, if you want to use USDT, the USDT will be here. I think you understand what I'm talking about right now. And you can also choose this if you want to convert vice versa. So you'll be able to do that. Can you see? So that means you want to convert your USD to USDT. I think you understand what I'm talking about. So whichever cryptocurrency you want to exchange it is what you will input in one of these boxes. So that's that about that. If you have any question concerning this video, drop it in the comment section, and I will be able to provide response for you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and do have a wonderful day.